Hello students, today in maths we will start chapter number 6, angles. First we will start with some basic knowledge. These are some geometrical figures. This is called point. You had done all this in 4th standard. This is called a line segment. Line segment, you cannot extend this line beyond these points. A line, you can extend this line in any direction. Ray, you can extend ray in only one direction. An angle. Now what is an angle? An angle can be defined as the figure formed by two rays meeting at the same point. See in this figure, the angle can be defined as the figure formed by two rays. This is one ray and this is second ray meeting at the same point. These two rays meeting at this point. This is called an angle. Now there are three types of angles. First is right angle, second is acute angle, and third is obtuse angle. Now what is right angle? The angle which measures 90 degree called a right angle. This is the figure of right angle. This measures 90 degree straight L shape. Second angle is acute angle. An angle which is smaller than a right angle is called an acute angle. See, this angle is smaller than 90 degree. This is acute angle. Next is obtuse angle. An angle that is bigger than a right angle is called an obtuse angle. This angle will be always greater than 90 degree. This is called obtuse angle. See the angles, three types of angles: acute angle smaller than 90 degree, right angle always straight L shape, and obtuse angle greater than 90 degree. Now what is vertex and side? See this figure, this is a square. This part is called side. One side, two side, three side, and four side. And this corner is called vertex. One vertex, two vertex, three vertex, four vertex. And together they called vertices. Now we'll see in different geometrical figures how many vertices and how many edges or corners will be there. A rectangle has four edges, that is four sides. See in this figure, side AB, side BC, side CD, and side DA. These are the four sides of rectangle. The point where two sides meet is called a vertex. This is the point where two sides meet. This is called a vertex. In the figure alongside, A, B, C, D are the vertices. A, B, C and D are the vertices of rectangle. Square. A square has four vertices and four sides. In the figure alongside, P, Q, R, S are the vertices of the square. P, Q, R, S are the vertices of the square. All the sides of square are of equal length and all its angles are right angle. All the sides of the square will be always of equal length and all the angles will be right angle. Triangle. A triangle has 3 vertices and 3 sides. This is vertex A, B, C. AB, BC, CD are the sides of the triangle. It should be AC and not CD. Now problem set number 24. Complete the following table. You need to draw this table in your maths notebook. You will solve only problem set number 24. You will not going to write all these things. These are just explanation. Start from problem set number 24 in your notebook. Draw this table. Write diagram, name of the angle, vertex, arm of an angle. These are the angles, diagrams. We need to write the name of the angles. Angle PQR or angle RQP. Both answers will be correct. But this point, this meeting point of two lines should be always in the middle. Vertex is Q. You will not write P and R in vertex because when two sides meet, that point is called vertex. Arms of an angle PQ, QR, or you can write QP, QR. Next, LMN. Now answers you will write. Name of the angle, angle LMN, or angle NML. Here you will write the answer. Vertex will be M. Write M. Arms of an angle ML and MN. Third one SUT. Name of the angle will be angle SUT or angle TUS. Vertex U. Arm of an angle US and UT. How to measure an angle? I draw these angles. Keep protractor on this line, straight line, this point, and start measuring. 0, 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55. This angle is 55 degree. Now see the next angle. Keep this protractor properly on the straight line. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. This angle is 90 degree. Next, keep properly. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 20, 30, 35, 30, 135 degree. 30, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26 degree. How to draw angles? First, I will draw one straight line with the help of scale. This point A, this is B point. Now take your protractor and keep the point on A. Place protractor very carefully. We need to draw 112 degree of angle. Start from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 111, 112. Draw a straight line. This is the angle 112 degree. This small circle is called degree. Next angle 160 degree. Draw a straight line with the help of scale. M, N. Take protractor. Place on M point carefully. (160). Draw a straight line with the help of scale. This angle is 160 degree. Next angle 70 degree. Point E, point F. Place protractor. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Draw straight line. This angle is 70 degree.